Welcome! Today I got a little package I want to give away from Tyler Newhouse, and he sent me a bunch of stuff. It's a nice kilo sticker. I'm gonna put it on my wall. I got a lockbox. Sorry, the packing materials from me, because I was opening a different package and it was packed with this styrofoam stuff, so it's not his fault, it's my fault. So I got a lockbox cap. I can't enter the lockbox competition, so nice to have one finally. I will put it on my wall here to the sunset cap I have. Thank you so much. I don't have a tensioning wheel from Sparrows. I do have a couple locks. I might want to use it actually. This is very useful, thank you. Then we have a couple of block keys, I believe. This way you can put it in a lock and just lock it, and then you have a little more trouble to get them out. Yeah. Don't know if I can use it, but nice to have stuff like that. Different keyways, as you can see. You can just put it in and break it. It's only a minor inconvenience, but might make it harder for some people. Thank you. What was that again? I think it's a rotation tool for DD locks, I guess. I will find out. I have to check, but I think it's a DD turning tool. I don't have a DD lock here right now, which is a package open, so I don't know, but I think it is one. And I got one of these anchor sheets. Everyday Hank, and they are beautiful made, as you can see. Very nice. Oh, that's a nice color. Very nicely made. Thank you so much. Everyday Hank EDC. Very cool. And last but not least, I got a little Exoterra combination lock. I have to check out how I can crack this one. Maybe I need to feel it or something. I don't know. I will check it. Anyways, it was a little short mail call. Thank you, Tyler. I put the link from his channel in the description. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.